everyone, this is Sushmita and you're watching me on Sushmita's Diaries. Celebrity beauty secrets just keep us so curious. At least I am curious to know that what do stars do to keep their skin looking so dewy, and how do they keep so fit all the time. So when I stumbled upon this video by actor Alia Bhatt on her YouTube channel, I was obviously very interested. She was making her favorite go-to salad in her own kitchen by herself. This is a beetroot salad which she swears by to keep her weight under control, and it also keeps her skin very fresh all the time. It's her chef that makes the salad for her, but then in this video she was trying it all by herself. So I watched the video over and over again and try to decode the entire recipe for you guys and of course for myself. So here I present the beetroot salad recipe by Alia Bhatt. So yeah, what are we waiting for? Let's get into my kitchen and start making the salad. But before we begin, make sure that you follow me on Instagram and Facebook, and also please subscribe to my channel for more such videos. The first thing that we need is a medium-sized fresh beetroot. Beetroots are a great source of vitamin A and beta-carotene that work wonders for hair and skin. Wash the beet properly and peel it. Now it has to be slightly steamed to get rid of any rawness. So in a pressure cooker, I'm going to pour around 1.5 cups of water and leave our peeled and washed beetroot inside the pressure cooker. Wait till at least one pressure and switch the flame off. Don't overcook the beet or all the nutrients will be gone. So here we have the slightly softened beet which has also been cooled. Now it is time to grate it. So here we have got around 1 cup of grated beetroot. To it I'm going to add some fresh yogurt. Yogurt is amazing for digestion and maintaining the skin's elasticity. In the video itself, Alia has said that she consumes yogurt every day and she likes her yogurt with the tadka. Mix everything gently and add a little chaat masala and black salt for the seasoning. Now my angels comes my favorite part, and it is the tadka. Good old traditional tadka lifts the flavors and the fragrance up by several notches. So in a small pan, heat some oil. To it add some Heeng, as strong as you prefer your tadka to be. Frankly, I like my Heeng a little on the stronger side, so I'm going to be a little generous in adding Heeng. And as usual, add some mustard seeds, zeera and curry patta. Let it all splutter and pour it all over the beetroot salad. The fragrance is just so awesome, guys. I'm so tempted to try it. Giving it all a good mix, and here you go. Alia Bhatt's favorite beetroot salad is ready. This is more like a raita rather and less like a salad, but it is a great addition to your everyday meals. So guys, I really enjoyed making Alia's favorite beetroot salad, and trust me guys, I'm not even joking, it was really delicious. And it was not one of those really boring and pale celebrity recipes. It was really nice. The only thing I would say that it was not a salad, it was a raita rather, the good old raita that we make along with our lunch and dinner. So it was more of raita and less of salad, but anyway I really liked it. So do try it out and let me know how did you like it in the comment section below. And also don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Facebook. I have left all the links down in the description box, and I'll see you all very soon. Till then, bye and take care.